Okay guys, well, I have a problem. Let me show it to you. Thank God I have an electric fence around my chickens. But I have to show you something that is very unnerving. This is coyote scat, and you can tell, look at all that hair in there. That is definitely coyote scat. And look how close it is to my chicken coop. So that is very unnerving. So I don't know what we're going to do about that, but we're going to have to do something. I think it's time to call the coyote hunters, which may be me. Time to order some traps or something. So we like our ladies too much to let them go that way. So we're going to have to do something about it. Hey guys, so these lights come with just this thing that you can clip on here. They fit, it's like a holder. They fit just like this. These were only $24 for 2 of them. So they just click right on there. And then there's an on and off switch back here, which I think that's just if you want to put them on for a little while. So that's what they look like. You can point it down so it's pointing down. So you have this point of pivot, and then you also have this point of pivot, and then that point of pivot. And so we'll probably be putting it down so it's facing down at the birds or on the outside of the chicken coop. And then this is a motion sensor right here that will pick up any activity on the outside of the coop, hopefully, and it should all work very well. So let's get the mounting brackets up. I'm just going to stand on a bucket because my ladders, the only ladder I can find right now, I shouldn't have put it on the mountain bracket. I'm pushing the wrong way. There we go. Comes right off the mountain bracket. So we'll get that on there. We got our screws in our pockets, and of course I need a screwdriver, so I'll go get that. I stopped using the handheld because it wasn't working well. And then I realized as I was trying to screw those in that those are indoor screws, which I don't know why you would use indoor screws on an outdoor project. So that's the screws that they provided with that. So I went into our shop and got some outdoor screws. So we're gonna get it done now. Hi, Polly. sound of a chicken laying an egg. Sometimes you just got to turn up the torque. The chickens are loving their organic feed. It does fall out of the feeder, and so they do eat it off the ground a little bit. How you can prevent that, we have a feeder that holds 70 pounds of food, which is nice when you go out of town or something like that. We love that feeder, but with this kind of food being so crummy, it's good to wet it and then put it in something like that down there. So they're loving the organic food. I have noticed a little different in the size of the eggs. I was getting really small eggs for some reason. And so they are increasing in size, and they are loving the food. That's the most important thing, and it's organic. So better for them, better for us, and it's awesome. So we're gonna get to work on this garden, and we're finished with that. Those lights went up super easy. I'll leave a link below if you guys are interested in them, because they were a good price. I will come out at night and see if they're working well. We did charge it or put it outside for a day or so, just so that the solar panels would absorb some good light before we put them out, and hopefully that will help. So the light works. Let's go check the other side. And look at all these chickens out here that should be inside. That's the turkey making that sound, by the way. Let's see. I hope the metal's blown around from the storms. So that one didn't come off, but I didn't push the power button on that one. So I think I'll have to do that. But look at all the light it shines on those guys. That's kind of cool. All right, well, double check this one later. Turn on that power button. And it definitely works on this side. See when it picks me up again. There we go. And it stays on for quite a bit. Okay, and it doesn't come on when it's noticing them, so that's good. All right, good night, guys. All right, you guys, we'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. God bless.